Hey, before you guys think ये channel पे कौन आ गया, I am Gunjan. I and Srishti co-run the Nomadic Cat channel on YouTube and Instagram. I have primarily always been behind the camera as the video editor for the channel. But we have been giving it quite a lot of thought, and we decided that why not share our experiences of how did we really start the channel, how have we evolved as a content creator couple on YouTube and Instagram, share our experiences as to how our editing setup is, what our vlogging setups are, gears and gadgets, reviews, unboxing, and so many content as to help you guys decide what's best for you. And even if it's in the smallest of way possible, we wanted to share our experiences as much as we can. So let's just start with this video. As an example, in this video, we are going to walk you through the quickest and the fastest way possible of transferring hundreds of photos from your camera directly to your iPhone, which you will just see in a bit. And feel free to reach out to us down in the comment section below if you have any questions at all, and we'll try to respond as soon as possible. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick hack which will help you share photos from your camera to your iPhone in seconds. So let's just get right into it. For this video, I would be using my brand new Sony a6700 and my iPhone. The first thing which you would need to do is download the Sony Creators app. You can find it directly in the App Store and probably would be the first search result, as you can see. Once downloaded, let's just agree and proceed to the terms and conditions. And then the app would ask you to register yourself. You could do this if you want to avail the cloud benefits, but for now I would skip it and hit register later. Once you are done with this step, please don't worry about allowing the app to access your gallery and send you notifications. It's completely safe, as I have been using this for quite some time and I've never faced any issues. This app would also help you take photos and videos directly from your phone through Remote Connect, which I will cover in detail in another video. But for now, let's just click on Connect and search for your camera to pair. I have the a6700, so we'll select that here. You would also need to grant the app access to Bluetooth and network. So let's just get away with these quickly. Once you are done setting up your phone, let's just get your cameras so that we can pair both of them. For pairing, go to your network tab, search for the smartphone connection option, which would be under your PC remote settings tab. You will see that your phone will identify your camera automatically. Might take a few seconds to show up, but don't worry about that. Just give it some time if it needs so. It will then automatically ask you to pair the Bluetooth via a code. So just hit on pair and you are done with the first step. This would just be a one-time task, so don't worry about doing it again and again every time. Now let's take some photos and test the transfer process and the speed. You can actually use this entire process to transfer single photos or even batches of photos altogether. As you can see, you have the option of sending just a single image, which is the first option. Second option is to send all the photos shot on a particular date. This is probably the option I use the most. The third and fourth options are basically for selecting batch photos. I mostly go for the second option to get all the photos at once in my phone and then delete the ones I don't need directly. Once you click on the second option, you will see a pop-up on your phone. Accept it and there you go. All the photos I just took transfer to my phone within 2 seconds. If you're sending hundreds of photos, it will still take up to, let's say, 20 to 30 seconds because the photos are of lower resolution, which you can use for your quick reference and sharing. But the quality is more than enough for your daily use if you are on a go. So that's it. Hope it helps you, makes it fun to just click and share no matter where you are. We'll be back with more such content, and if you like the video, hit that thumbs up button and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.